Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Zelle, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Zelle is and how it works. Zelle is a fast and secure way to send and receive money. To budget effectively with Zelle, start by assessing your monthly income. List all sources of income, including salaries and side jobs. Next, outline your essential expenses. Include rent, utilities, groceries, and any other fixed costs. Once you have your income and expenses, set a budget goal. Decide how much you want to save each month. Incorporate your savings target into your budget. Now it's time to organize your Zelle transactions. If you haven't already, download the Zelle app or access it through your bank's app. Link your bank account to Zelle for easy transfers. Use Zelle to track where your money goes. When you receive money, allocate it to specific expense categories immediately. For outgoing payments, use Zelle for bills, services, or paying back friends. Make a habit of logging every Zelle transaction. Use these logs to evaluate your spending habits regularly. Adjust your budget monthly based on your Zelle transaction history. If you notice overspending, identify areas to cut back. Reassess your budget goals quarterly. Consider setting up automatic transfers to a savings account using Zelle. This makes saving effortless and consistent. Finally, review your progress towards your financial goals regularly. Staying organized and disciplined will help you master budgeting with Zelle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.